So we have two desserts here. We have the ever elusive Taffy Grapes that we've tried to purchase a bunch of times, but they were always sold out. And then we have green fluff. Now, I'm not sure which of these two I'm gonna like the most. I know that this one has marshmallows, which is not my favorite, so let's see how that does. So right now I think Taffy Grapes are gonna be the winner for me. It's time for some dessert, the funky kind. Most likely plucked out of a church cookbook and made popular by the south side of Chicago. The first one is a 3-ingredient recipe commonly sold by the tub at local chicken shops. You basically grab green grapes that are plump and firm and make a dipping handle with toothpicks or kebab sticks. You crush up some peanuts or any nut you like. Melt some almond bark or white chocolate for a few seconds until it's soft. Then assemble and keep it in the fridge until it's time for serving. Next is a salad from outer space. Some say it's Irish American, in which case we should have probably done this one for St. Patrick's. And it goes by other names too, like pistachio fluff or Watergate fluff, but we're going with green fluff. You mix a can of pineapples, crushed if possible, or just cut it with scissors Korean style. Mix in 1 box of pistachio pudding. Some recipes call for 2, but we thought 1 was fine. Mix in about a cup of marshmallows and about half a tub of Cool Whip. Portions are really to your liking, so follow your heart. We added some leftover crushed peanuts from the previous recipe, and voila! 2 Midwestern desserts with a cult following. And they're pretty to look at too, if we say so ourselves. Oh, that's a lot of marshmallows. Oh wow.
It's not bad, is it?
No. It's not bad at all. I think, I thought the marshmallows were gonna throw me off, but...
Nico's like, please, can I have some?
Alright, I want to stop eating, but it's pretty good. Never judge a book by its cover. So we've been wanting to try this for like the longest time since we've started living in Chicago, right? And everywhere we went, it's like, oh, we don't have them today, or we sold out of them. So let's see. I originally thought this was the one that I was gonna like the most, so let's see. It's just the grape throws me off, because it's like eating a Snickers with the grape thrown in. So it's pretty good. It's not bad at all, right? It's just kind of like a weird flavor combination, but it's pretty good. I will say that I did like the green fluff more. Like those weird elements like marshmallow, pistachio pudding, and pineapple. I didn't think that was gonna work, and it tasted real good. So yeah, these are really good. You can't go wrong with either of them. Definitely try them out. Now you know what they are: Taffy Grapes and green fluff.